Postpartum insomnia. Why are you awake when everyone else is sleeping? At the end of this video, you'll have my tried and true herbal remedies to stop postpartum insomnia so you can sleep like a baby. Best postpartum natural remedies, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of my new video each Tuesday. Hundreds of women integrate natural remedies into their diet to reduce medications, and you can learn more on my website, taragregorio.com. Now it's your turn to get a good night's sleep. Let's dive in. So why is this happening? Why do you have postpartum insomnia? Why do you have postpartum insomnia? Number one, sleep deprivation. If your sleep has been bothered since you've had your child, been interrupted, then your circadian rhythms are off. So that's one potential reason. Raising twins, I know I didn't sleep for 2 full years as my sleep was interrupted every single night. The other reason may be hormones. Your hormones are adjusting after having a child and may affect you for years to come. Your adrenal health may not be well. So from stress, sleep deprivation, and hormones, it may have a cascade effect on your adrenal glands. So we want to restore your adrenal glands, take a deep dive into your diet, make sure you're not on a sugar roller coaster, and then help you get back to sleep faster. So what are the 5 steps to overcome postpartum insomnia? Number 1, if you can cut out the caffeine as much as possible, that includes chocolate as well, but what happens when you don't sleep well is you wake up in the morning and you want more coffee and sugar to get you going, and then you're so wired at night you want wine to wind you down that it just creates this sugar roller coaster and this adrenal fatigue that is happening. So start the day with hot water and lemon, or maybe green tea, or maybe 1 cup of coffee, and then try not to have any more throughout the rest of the day. Try to incorporate green tea or maybe some herbal teas like stinging nettles and milky oat tops. You can watch my other video on how to make an herbal tea blend postpartum, and really try to nourish your adrenals throughout the day so that you're soothing your body for a good night's sleep. Now, I know your sleep may be interrupted during the night, but the goal is to get to sleep faster by addressing your adrenal health now. Number 2, go to bed. I know so many mothers that stay up late because it's quiet time, or they want to watch a good Netflix show, or they're spending time with their spouse. But go to bed. Your sleep is your priority, and if you don't sleep well, insomnia turns into anxiety, and anxiety turns into depression. So your sleep is the most vital thing that you want to restore right now. Number 3, you can take a tincture in the middle of the night. An herbal tincture is a way to take herbal medicine. So instead of making a cup of tea, which can be very cumbersome, you can make an herbal tincture blend that will help put you to sleep. Now the ingredients will vary if you're breastfeeding or if you're not breastfeeding. So watch my my video on which herbal remedies you can use now if you are breastfeeding. And if you're not breastfeeding, then you can certainly integrate these herbs: valerian, kava kava, motherwort, lavender, and lemon balm. Look for a blended tincture to put into a cup of water, and you can take that in the middle of the night. Now, if your adrenals are absolutely tapped, the tincture may not work. This is what happened to me. So you want to nourish your adrenals and drink plenty of stinging nettles. We're going to talk into some self-care techniques, taking long baths with magnesium, sleeping as much as you can, oiling your body. These are all methods to soothe your adrenal glands along with a healthy diet. So if the tincture doesn't work, you may need more adrenal restoration. Number 4, homeopathy. So homeopathy is my other favorite natural remedy to use along with botanicals. And if you don't know how to use homeopathy, I'll put the link below for how to use homeopathy, what you're looking for to make it work for you. But my two favorite remedies, if I drink too much coffee and I feel tired and wired, I'll take Coffea 30C, and that will put me straight to bed. If I had a glass of wine and it keeps me up at night and I wake up at 3 a.m. and feel a little nauseous, then Nux vomica is the remedy. So consult with a homeopath or an herbalist near you that knows how to use homeopathy. But what you're looking for is your symptoms, what your symptoms are, and what is triggering you to get the right remedy for your particular body. So the two favorites are Coffea. If I drink too much coffee, and you would know that if you had 3 or 4 cups of coffee, and you feel tired and wired and can't go to sleep at 9 p.m., or if you wake up at 3 a.m. and can't go back to sleep, Nux vomica may be the remedy for you. But reach out if you have any questions. And the fifth is supplements. So what I didn't do during the postpartum time that I encourage all of my clients to do is to take magnesium, lots of magnesium, because when we're stressed, we don't have enough magnesium in our body. We go through it. So the supplements that are so vital to you right now, magnesium, you can take it at night and it will also help reduce constipation in the morning. An iron supplement, a good iron supplement, and vitamin D. So especially in the winter months, but vitamin D, those are the 3 supplements I would use during the postpartum time, along with omega-3s because they reduce inflammation. We'll do another video on my favorite supplements during the postpartum time because your body needs those supplements to restore your health. So now you know exactly how to stop postpartum insomnia. If you are experiencing anxiety or want to prevent it, grab my free checklist to the 7 steps to reducing postpartum anxiety so that you can restore your health and prevent postpartum depression. If you're in postpartum depression, these supplements will also help. These remedies will also help you as well. And don't hesitate to reach out for help if you are experiencing anxiety or depression. If you want to join a community of other women just like you, click the link below for my closed Facebook page for postpartum remedies, natural remedies to reduce postpartum anxiety fast. We'll go over all natural remedies during the postpartum time. Check out these videos, these other videos to integrate natural remedies safely. And if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your girlfriends. Thank you so much.